Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ng energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, so let's see. Oh. So, may naghihintay dito ng right time, timing. Tong taong ito, matagal na kayong hindi nag-uusap. Marami siyang thoughts in mind, marami siyang gustong sabihin, marami siyang gustong i-share sa'yo ngayon. And maaaring it's a twin flame journey as well, na may kipag-communicate sa'yo ngayon or tatawag ngayon bago matapos ang taon. Okay, so tingnan natin. So, ang dami niyang gustong ikwento. Dami niyang gustong sabihin sa'yo. Sa hinaba-haba ng panahon na wala kayong communication nitong taong ito, talaga nasasabi siya makausap kang muli. Wow! First card, the lovers. So, ang lakas ng energy ng twin flame na naman dito or pwedeng soulmates or divine counterpart. Okay, so we have here the Ace of Swords. So, talagang fresh communications. And the Chariot card. Death card. Uy, ang dami na namang major arcana natin dito. Oh, Eight of Swords and the Three of Cups. So, ang tagal niyang na-trap. Kaya hindi siya makipag-communicate sa'yo. And ngayon, it's about reconciliation, celebration, and maaaring bumisita siya ngayong holiday season or Pasko, New Year, magkasama kayo, 'di ba? So wow. Mapapa-Senegal na naman tayo niyan. We have here the shadow side, Devil, Capricorn, and the Three of Pentacles. So ngayon, gusto niya na mag-workout to. Ayan. So ang dami nating signs dito ha. Gemini, Cancer sign, Scorpio, Capricorn. Bottom card natin, King of Pentacles. So, namulat na siya eh. Parang nagising na sa katotohanan nitong taong ito. And, tingnan natin sa tarot messages, oracle cards. I want a family with you. Wow. Crying over you, feeling lost, and can I call you? So, ayan, talagang tatawag na to sa'yo. Makikipag-usap, communication, celebration, union of hearts, kung ano man ang gusto nyo dyan. Feeling betrayed. Can we talk? I'm proud of you. I'm isolating myself to reflect, and I'm a liar. So, aminado naman siya, no, sa mga kasinungalingan na sinabi niya noon, mga nagawa niya mali. Ayan, and can you forgive me sa bottom card? So, tingnan natin message ng archangels natin. Oops. And we have here, wow, victory by Archangel Sandalphon. Your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. So, matagal mo nang pinapangarap to or pinagdarasal tong mangyari. No, na magkausap ulit kayo nitong taon to. And ayan na, pinapakinggan ka na universe. Talagang binubuhos niya ngayon lahat sa'yo. Yung mga parang feeling mo, pinagkait sa'yo ng tadhana. Ayan. Tingnan natin. The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. Ito, talaga naman, oh, we will be together again. Aha. And so many things remind me of you. I love you unconditionally. We need to let each other go. So, kasi ng mga panahong yun, kailangan nyo mag-let go sa isa't isa. Pero naniniwala siya, magkakasama ulit kayong dalawa. So attracted to you. Just being near you is intoxicating. I will wait for a sign from you, and my life is not as together as it seems. Bottom card, I hid who I'm really am from you. Kasi parang natakot siya ng mga panahong yun na parang baka hindi mo siya matanggap kung ano man talaga siya. Ayan. May mga tinago siya, nagsinungaling. Tingnan natin sa initials. Kuha tayo ng initials. This one is E. Letter H. X and Y. Yan naman tayo sa X and Y. Oops. Letter P, A. Letter N, J, and bottom card natin, R. Kuha tayo sa blue card. We have your obsession. Oh. And confessions. Ang dami nga talaga niyang gustong sabihin. And last card natin, wow. Wow. Union of Hearts. Talaga lakas ang twin flame natin dito. Pero kahit na hindi kayo twin flames, kung soulmates man kayo, ayan, makaka-relate ka dito. Okay, so tingnan natin general signs and messages natin. Luzon. Number 10. Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Nivor. Other country, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Sagittarius. Green-minded, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. High expectations, Scorpio, December. Emotional, soon. North PH. Twin flame talaga, oh. Cancer sign. Hilarious. July. Very serious and soulmate for some of you talaga, oh. Soulmate twin flames, kung ano man, or divine counterpart. Kung sino man tong nakatadhana sa'yo. We have here September 7. Rainy season. And ayan, nag-i-stock na siya, oh. Yung mga pinagagagawa nito. March. Killer smile. Kind-hearted. Present lover. Sword, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Another Libra and last card natin. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, ayan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.